Around the world.
Are we ready to see the bridge now? We are going to see the bridge.
First one in the big captain seat for the half of Luis, it's indoor, okay? No need your sunglasses. Oh.
Leo, are you ready to see the bridge, Captain?
Yeah, around the world.
See around the world.
Yeah, it's gonna be 8th of September.
Let's go half and then we'll go. Service! We'll put him on the Florida. He really likes Florida. He can be Florida manager. Not this week. I'll just keep like in the north side and do the outside.
I think actually if I'm a guy who not fly.
No, I want to.
You're just gonna run inside and drive, you know.
Always.
Now we are ready to see the bridge. Hello.
Welcome to the bridge, ladies.
Welcome to the bridge.
This is from where we kind of drive the ship. Actually, computers are taking care of it, so these guys are just pretending to be doing something. Yeah, enjoying the scenery and
Wow, this is so
you know,
cool.
relying on the electronics that is taking care of this is literally. I'm not kidding. And you know what they do? They do really well. They take care of room service delivery that comes in with fully loaded trolley every half an hour.
We knew that.
And then they work hard.
What time is that? What time is that?
All the donuts and all this stuff, you know.
What time is
Right, Alex?
That's right. What time is the next delivery?
Yes.
What is that?
So literally, we are in the bridge today. It looks really nice. Look at the controls. Look at Woo! You can see this, right? This is nice, yeah? So cool. Transparent glass. Look at this. Beautiful.
Nice picture.
From the bridge of Anthem of the Seas.
Also channeling through inshore waters, you know, in and out of ports, and then we have hand steering, we don't have computer.
Oh, right, yeah.
We have helmsman, our quartermaster, who's driving. You don't. Although computer can do everything, we have program for it.
Yes.
So high, you cannot
No one, yeah.
gamble.
Billion pounds.
Yeah, exactly. Very good.
So cool.
Go, please, go.
Oh, look at that.
I know, but no.
I was gonna ask that, yeah. No, yeah. No, they must do. Like, so,
Yeah. If Kathy can make it, of course.
I think we are running cheap. Yeah, they're cutting plastic when it goes. Yeah, we want. Before we used to, I don't know, when did you join? Just recently, I guess.
Oh, okay.
You know, before you used to have a white uniform for daytime.
put it
and,
exactly over
this
the
type
head.
of uniform.
Yeah,
You stay here 5 hours.
5 hours, yeah. That's why.
And
That's
full
why I
white
see like you
uniform
guys
for
look.
daytime, officers,
Yeah,
on money
I like
side.
that way.
Yes.
But you know, everything comes in play. And,
What it was.
cost reduction, efficiency.
When you stay, okay, but they cover them up.
Yeah,
I have a question for you. So when the guys go, hey, can you see if there is any rain? Where do you see it? Rain?
Low clouds also. And usually low clouds have chance of rain.
Don't trust everything he tells you. I warn you.
The pizza right here.
Yeah, unfortunately, we are still wearing masks as part of the policy. The entire afternoon. And we get like 500-600 crew here. It's hot everywhere. Crew everywhere. But I cannot do it now because now it's officially no gatherings, no. Right?
Special invitation.
But crew love it. They see the bridge, you know, that's to crew it. There was. Thank you. Just come to the good. Oh, thank you, Captain, for reminding us of
That's why for my
They saving the run. They're not cutting the wood.
So the helmsman, you know, a quartermaster, the Michael, or one of them, they sit here and then they drive the ship when you
it's
are
like
in
the
and out of
game
port.
room. The game room. Driving.
Like on the airplane, same thing, small.
Yeah, let's play an Xbox.
But the real wheels are now in local pubs somewhere.
Yeah.
Day 5. So day 5 is tomorrow night.
1 o'clock.
Day 5 tomorrow on the 8th.
Let's do it.
Ready? Yeah.
Yes.
It's actually really, really loud.
Inside somewhere.
Yeah.
But it's loud on the outside.
Oh. They have all the access to the camera, right? Here?
Yeah.
Dining room.
Puta que pariu, we are gonna crash. We're gonna burn.
Mayday, mayday.
Oh, assinou o the contract.
New contract.
Alright.
That's it. Leo is in charge now.
Promoted.
Ei, capitão, pega aí, senta aqui.
Oh, see? Downstairs desk. So today we had the privilege to see the bridge of the Anthem of the Seas, and it is really nice. And it's a phenomenal experience overall. I'm really intrigued, really happy to be here to see and witness all this man-made marvels. And I would say this is a very nice experience in a lifetime. And also I got the chance to see and sit on the captain's chair. So much. Sure, Captain. Respect.
Thank you.